Welcome back to Chippewa Outdoors. The other day on the range, I had some ammo issues, and this is the ammo I was shooting. He just press percussion, and get this. Finest military grade ammo. I hope our boys don't have this, because this issue 9mm, and the primer strikes. This is on a good duty service weapon, and really, looks good, but definitely primer issues. Had multiple issues. You'll see on my video. Folks, if you're ordering like bulk ammo and such, and it's a name that you're not familiar, not shot on, I would suggest to do what I did not do. And that is to get on your internet, Google search, and look for reviews. Whether it's light primer strikes, fouling, you don't want either of these issues, and a good Google search, which I did not do. So I'm stuck with some practice ammo, and I'm going to train with it, use it to my advantage. If I have a non-fire, I'm going to get in my mind to eject that shell and to continue, so that I don't waste time squeezing off on the bad shell that, I've got to get in my mind to get back into it as soon as possible. Well, just a little update, heads up. This is not a bash on this brand right here, but it's not a promotion for them either. All right, thanks. Y'all be cool. Peace. That's weird. I think that's my ammo. Because I would say one of the most reliable pistols I have in my quiver is the 226 Mark 25. Decock and return. Definitely some ammo problems. Decock, return. Not liking this ammo very much. Don't trust it. Well, busted that one off. Decock, return. So I just shot my paper plate off. Let me look at this ammo. And if you can see here, primer did hit. So this is primer issues on this type of ammo. So not practice ammo, fine. I've had this happen before with this ammo. Put it back in and it fires the next time, but the firing pin has definitely hit that. So thanks again for joining. I'm going to be shooting some more. We appreciate you, and come back out to see us again. Urging you to video yourself to see what you're doing or not doing and how to improve, how to make yourself faster and more accurate. Thank you very much for your viewing, subscribing, liking, sharing, and comments. I get right back to you. Peace.